Hi everyone, my name is Kevin and today I want to show you how you can get Microsoft Office for free. It won't cost you anything. Microsoft Office includes programs like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. As full disclosure, before we jump into it, I work at Microsoft. All right, well, enough talk, let's jump into it. Here I am on my desktop, and the really awesome thing is if you have Windows 10, you already have the Office app. There are a few different ways to get to the Office app. One of them is you click on the Start menu, and you'll see a double wide tile called Office. You could click on that to launch the Office app. Another way you could do it is if I go down to search, you could type in Office, and here the Office app pops up as the top search result. If you don't have this app on your computer, don't despair, you can still get it. The way you could do that is you could go to the Microsoft Store. I'm going to launch that real quick. I'll click on Microsoft Store, click on Search, type in Office in the search field, and then it'll be one of the top apps simply called Office. What I'll do is I'll click on that, and if you don't have the app yet, you could click on Get. If you already have the app installed, you'll see a launch button. Okay, so assuming that you've gotten the app and you want to launch it, I'll click on the Start menu, and I'm going to click on Office. It'll launch the app, and here you have full access to Office. That's as simple as it was. It really is that easy. You simply launch the app, which comes pre-installed as part of Windows 10, and you have full access to Office. So here you'll see Outlook, I have OneNote, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, so on and so forth. These are all the apps that I get. To really make it real, why don't we jump into one of these apps and I'll show you. So here I'm going to click into Word, and I get the Word Start page. I could create a new document. I could also create a new document starting from a template. So here I have a full template view of all the different templates that I could start from. I also have all the different recent documents that I've worked on. So here I'm going to click on New Blank Document, and what that'll do is that'll pop up the Word editing experience, and here I get the full-fledged Word. So I could start working on a document, I could insert tables, I could basically do whatever I need to do in Word. So now I'm going to go back to the Office app. Let's go back. I could also jump into Excel, and here I could work on a spreadsheet. I could also go into PowerPoint, and I could create a new presentation. And so you get the idea. I get access to all these different apps through the Office, through this Office app that comes as part of Windows 10 for free. So aside from just launching apps, what I can also do is I can get back to things that I've worked on. So here down below, you'll see this recent list of things that I've worked on. So I have a whole bunch of Word documents. I had some PowerPoint presentations. I have an Excel workbook. So here I could, in one click, I could get back to that document. What I can also do is if I have a document saved on my machine that I would like to work on, let's say I don't have Word installed on my machine and I want to work on that document or work on that presentation, I could click on this ... on the edge, or what we refer to as the context menu. I could click on that, and then I could click on this Upload and Open, and what that'll do is it'll take the document, upload it into the cloud on OneDrive, and then it'll open that document in the online app, and then I could work on it. A few other things that I could do is I could pin documents down here for quick access. So I'll click on this menu, and let's see, I can add it to pinned. I could also remove from the list, open the document location. If I pin a document, it puts it on this pinned list. And if I'm working with others, I could share documents, and I could see those shared documents here. So nice way to get back to content that I'm working on. I also, here you'll also see that I have these two buttons on here. One of them is Upload and Open, and what that'll allow me to do is if I have a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, or a PowerPoint presentation on my computer, I could go ahead, click on Upload and Open, select that document, and then that'll upload it into the cloud, and then I'll be able to work on that document. So kind of a nice way to allow me to continue working on it. I could also click on this New button. What that'll allow me to do is I could create a new Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, also a Sway page. So I could create new content directly from here. And that's really the main benefit of the Office app. You can really get started with Office. You could get started with any of the Office apps for free. You could also get back to the content that you're working on. And now one of the things that you'll see is up here on top, there's an Install button. If I click on Install, because I'm using this for free, I can't install the apps on my computer. But what this will allow me to do is when I showed the Word example, that's using Word online or Word in the cloud. And so that's entirely for free. If I want the offline apps on my computer, I have to pay money for that. But if you're okay using the online apps, then you get Office entirely for free using this app. Now, a few things that I want to talk about. Why would you want to pay for Office if you get it for free? Well, if you pay for Office, you get the offline apps or the programs that you install on your computer. With that, you also get additional OneDrive storage, so you get a terabyte of storage space if you decide to pay for Office. And then there are also intelligent features that you get in Office. For example, if you're working in PowerPoint, you get designer suggestions for slides. If you're working in Word, you get suggestions on how you're writing. So you get these different types of intelligence that you don't get on the free version. And so if you think those are worthwhile, then you can get Office 365 and you get those additional benefits. But this is the Office app. It gives you free access to Office, whether it's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, whichever one of those apps that you want to use, you get free access using the Office app. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see future content like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button. That way you'll get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. All right, well, thanks a lot, and I hope you enjoy using Office for free.